Hey guys, it's me, Army at War. Now, I just got the Raspberry Pi 4 in, but the sad thing is I didn't get the 4 GB model that I wanted to, but the 2 should come in very soon. I did order it, but it looked like it's gonna be a while because it looks like the Raspberry Pi 4 is very popular and I am very happy about that. So your boy went to Micro Center and just picked up two Raspberry Pi 4s and the 1 GB Raspberry Pi 4 and the Raspberry Pi 4 GB models will be in soon. So another video will be on that. I did get some Raspberry Pi 3 heat sinks. Only because it does run hot. You do know, if you're a Raspberry Pi fan, you do know their models run hot. I got the little mini wireless keyboard. I hope it comes to use. If not, return or exchange. Got one right here, Raspberry Pi 2, 2 GB, by element 14. All right. And then I got one 1 GB one. Now I already opened this, I already tore up the box. Oh, that's beautiful. You get a nice little close-up shot. Now, what you're rocking here for this computer is you're rocking a 64-bit quad-core Cortex A72 processor, 1 GB of DDR4 RAM, low-powered RAM, which is kind of cool because we was on, DDR2 powered RAM. So yeah, and you can power up to 2 4K inputs with these 2 micro HDMIs, which I'm both happy about. Now we have 2 USB 2 ports and 2 USB 3 ports, which I'm happy about again. And we have true gigabit Ethernet port, which is this one right here. Now I think the other one from the Raspberry Pi 3 was controlled by the USB controller. And I'm glad that it's now by itself because now I can probably run some good stuff on here. You got 802.11 N, G, and AC wireless. And you have Bluetooth 5.0, which is good because I think we moved from Bluetooth 4.2 to Bluetooth 5, which we needed. And the USB Type-C, I'm actually surprised they went to USB Type-C because now we have more throughput. We have 3 amps instead of 2.5. And yeah. We still have our camera display, and we still have our same GPIO pins, just like everything else. Now, Micro Center didn't have any cases because they let them out early, but they 3D printed some cases. So I was like, oh yeah, I like 3D printed cases. Yeah, let me see them. So this is what they are. If you ever go to your local Micro Center, if they printed these are okay quality. All right, and I got the Samsung 128 gig flash drive so I can put some ROMs on there or, save stuff to it, blah, blah, blah. Now, you will need a micro HDMI adapter or cable because this is not using a full size, thingy thing. HDMI. I said thingy thing, I should slap myself. Oops. It's not going to be in the box anyway, I don't want it. All right, that's the 2 GB model. Nothing looks different. Nope. Does it say anything different to distinguish? Not really. Just in case, I'm gonna get my label maker out. But right now, I'm gonna keep them in line so I know which one is which. So when I end the video, I don't be lost. All right. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Once I get all of my Raspberry Pis in, I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to buy more because this is a giant leap from the Raspberry Pi. If you guys don't know, this is a big, big leap from the 3. And basically just open up another one. And that's basically all I have for now. But if you want to stay tuned, I am going to be pumping out videos like crazy. Stay tuned. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. I'm looking for subscribers to help grow the channel. All right, guys. Have a nice day.